South Africa. South Africa. Hey yo, boom! Back with another one, patje Rae Rata dance tutorial. Let's get it! I just love how YouTubers be saying that. Like, hey yo, boom! Back with another one. Like, we were waiting. Bro, we didn't even watch your last video. Trust me, my brother, we went waiting. But anyway, boom, back with another one. Let's get into the video. Yeah, the first step with this dance, it's like the last video I made, the mini video. The first step is the same. So you jump, eh? Let's jump, but then you jump forward, eh? So but you don't just you cross your legs as you jump like above. So it's so basically you're like this, you take this foot, take it up, eh? And then so it's up, and then you take this forward, bring this back up. Yeah, that's the first step. So it's 1, 2, ne? It's ne? So it's 1, 1, 1, ne? Yeah, that's it. That is the first step. South Africa. South Africa. Step number 2. Boom. Oh, and also you don't have to change right now. Yeah, I did it because I'm me. You don't have to. This is a me. Okay, you don't have to. So yeah, step number 2. Ne? So step number 2 is 1, 2. Ne? So you go 1, 2. Ne? So basically you just put your leg like this, take it back, do the other one like this, take it back, and then just this small little one, and then take your chest forward like ne? Yeah, you. So it's ne? Did you get it? I know you got it. Let's move on. Don't mind me like looking side to side. I'm checking to see if anyone is coming, because like I'm speaking alone right now. I'm speaking to myself. If someone comes, they're gonna be like, oh, this nigga crazy. So yeah, it's fucked up. But yeah, let's move on. Boom, step number 3. So step number 3, final step is yay challenge dance thing. Like, if I'm moving too fast for you in this video, go check out my previous video. I did it on my previous video in length. So yeah, but yeah, this is the last step, ne? So basically so like I said, I explained it in my last video. If you can get it in this video, I'm moving too fast for you, go check out my previous video. Go, we out. Usually this is a dance for 2, but I'm lonely, I'm alone, I have nobody. So I'm gonna be doing it with nobody. It's fucked up, I know. But yeah, nobody. Let's get it. South Africa.